Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is very important if you are preparing for the Trinity B1 exam. Many candidates think they fail because of vocabulary or pronunciation, but from an examiner's point of view, the real reason is tense control. Yes, your tenses are extremely important. At Trinity B1 level, you must clearly show that you can talk about what is happening now, what happened in the past, and what you plan to do in the future. If your tenses are mixed or unclear, the examiner may think your English is below B1, even if your words are correct. Today, I will show you exactly how to use tenses safely, especially in Part 1 when you choose your topic. Part 1, present tense. When you talk about now, daily life, and facts. Why present tense is so important. In Trinity B1 Part 1, many candidates choose topics like myself, my family, my job, my daily routine. These topics must start with present tense because you are talking about your life now. When to use present tense? Use present tense when talking about your current job or studies, your living situation, your family now, routines and habits, and general facts. If it is true now, use present. Common fail problems. Wrong verb form, mixing past or future too early. Examples: I am work in an office. I working every day. I was live here now. These sound confused. Past examples, topic myself, present tense. Example 1. I work in an office and I am an administrative assistant. I usually start work at 9 in the morning. Example 2. I live in a residential area near the city center. It is quite convenient and there are many shops nearby. Example 3. I am currently studying English in my free time. I want to improve my communication skills. Example 4. I usually spend my weekends at home or with friends. It helps me relax after a busy week. Past examples, topic my family, present tense. Example 1. I live with my parents and my younger sister. We have a close relationship. Example 2. My parents both work full-time. They usually finish work in the evening. Example 3. My family enjoys spending time together. We often have dinner at home. Example 4. My sister is still a student. She studies at a local school. Present tense safety tips. Use present simple. Keep sentences short. Focus on I work, I live, I usually. If you control this well, you already show solid B1 level. Part 2. Past tense, the most important tense in Trinity B1. Now, please listen carefully. Past tense is the biggest reason candidates fail B1. When examiners expect past tense, you must use past tense when talking about yesterday, last weekend, last year, previous jobs, and changes in your life. Avoiding past tense is very dangerous. Common fail examples. Yesterday, I go shopping. Last year, I work in a restaurant. I meet my friend last weekend. These are basic errors. Past examples, topic myself, past tense. Example 1. Before this job, I worked in a restaurant. I worked there for about 2 years. Example 2. Last year, I changed my job. I wanted to gain more experience. Example 3. When I was younger, I studied in another city. I moved back after graduation. Example 4. Last weekend, I stayed at home. I rested and watched some movies. Past examples, topic my family, past tense. Example 1. My family lived in another area before. We moved here 5 years ago. Example 2. In the past, my parents worked very long hours. Now they have a better work-life balance. Example 3. When I was a child, my family often traveled together. We visited different cities. Example 4. Last year, my family celebrated a special anniversary. We had a small family gathering. Past tense safety tips. Always use time words. Last year, before, 2 years ago. Slow down. Use short sentences. Correct and simple past tense equals pass. Part 3. Present perfect. Optional, but a strong advantage. You do not need advanced present perfect, but simple, correct use is very impressive at B1. When to use present perfect. When the examiner asks, "Have you ever?" the experience is connected to now. Past examples, simple present perfect. I have worked in another city before, but now I work near my home. Example 2. I have studied English for several years. I still want to improve. Example 3. I have changed jobs once. It helped me gain experience. Example 4. I have visited a few different countries. It was very interesting. Safety advice. If you are not confident, use past simple. Do not force present perfect. Safe English is better than risky English. Part 4. Future tense. Talking about plans, intentions, and hopes. When examiners expect future tense. You should use future tense when talking about plans, goals, hopes, and future changes. Common fail problems. Mixing forms. Wrong verb structures. Examples: I will went, I am go to. Pass examples, topic, myself, future tense. Example 1. In the future, I'm going to improve my English. I want to communicate more confidently. Example 2. I hope to find a better job in the future. It will give me more opportunities. Example 3. I think I will continue working in this field. I enjoy this type of work. Example 4. I'm going to take more courses next year. They will help my career. Pass examples, topic, my family, future tense. Example 1. In the future, my family is going to move to a bigger flat. We need more space. Example 2. I think my parents will retire in a few years. They want a quieter life. Example 3. My family plans to travel together next year. We want to visit another country. Example 4. In the future, we hope to spend more time together. Family time is important to us. Future tense safety forms. Use only these. I'm going to, I hope to, I think it will. That is more than enough for B1. Part 5. The biggest tense mistake. Mixing. Fail example. Last year I work in an office, and now I will working there. The examiner cannot follow the time. Pass example. Clear control. Last year I worked in an office. Now I work from home. In the future, I'm going to look for a new position. Golden rule. While speaking, always ask, was past, now, future. 1/10 at a time. At Trinity B1, we are not looking for perfect grammar. We are looking for clear communication. If your time is clear, your level is clear. Speak slowly. Use simple sentences. Control your tenses. If you do that, you can pass, and you will pass. Remember, mistakes are normal, and small errors will not fail you. The important thing is that you keep speaking, stay confident, and show what you know. Practice a little every day, and soon you will feel much more relaxed during the exam. Trust yourself, trust your preparation, and believe in your English. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you feel confident and prepared. See you next time, and good luck with your Trinity B1 exam.